Hello everyone, welcome to N.O.A.H, the Learning Art. I'm Miss Aha. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sandpaper letter, the Montessori education. What you need is craft glue, craft knife, and scissors, and it's sandpaper letter, so you need a sandpaper. The color doesn't matter, but I like this color because it looks like a sand and it's sandpaper. But you can just go to Home Depot and buy gray or the black one. I bought it at the dollar store. It was a bunch of this. I paid only $1. So you can go to the dollar store and buy it. And you have to print it out. I linked it down below. Print this out at any paper because we're gonna just cut it out and throw it away, and you have to buy a foam sheet. I bought it at the Michaels. It's $1, and you need 3 of this because it's gonna be 6-inch and 5-inch. You have to cut it out, but I found this at the dollar store. I love Dollar Tree. And it was $1, and actually there's only 6 of this each color, but we need 21 for consonants and 6 for vowels. So for vowel, the blue one, we need only 1 package, but the thing is we need 21 of this, so I had to buy 4 of this. So if you want to cut it, but actually it's the same price. Michael's $1, this one is $1 too, so I prefer this because it's already pre-cut, so I just use it. What you have to do is print it out, sandpaper, cut the letter out from the sandpaper. First, just make it small because it's easier, and then cut along the line like this. Can you see? And then it's gonna be like this. I pre-cut, and you just glue on the foam sheet, and that's it. Actually, you can buy it on Amazon. It's only $60, but we can make it at home at $5, and it looks very professional, isn't it? So why don't you just invest 1 hour and save $55? And isn't it fun to make something like this to our students and children? So go for it. I recommend to do it. Actually, I'm gonna use this for my season 1 phonics class, so you can see how I use it with children. Thank you very much for joining with me, and enjoy making this. Bye-bye.